Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make my recipe for roasted chicken. It is so simple and delicious, and I smear it with a garlic basil butter, which is to die for, and then pop it in the oven. This is a 4.5 pound chicken. It's got the timer, which is really handy, then you know exactly when it's done. And anyway, I think we often overlook roasted chicken as a dinner option. We always try to get so fancy, you know, and as working, busy parents and adults, we need fast and delicious dinner options. So roasted chicken is definitely the way to go, and I think you're gonna really love this easy recipe. So start with a foil-lined baking dish, and I rinsed and patted dry the chicken to start with, okay? And then we're just making a garlic butter and putting it all over the chicken, and it's really that simple. So this is a stick of butter that I softened. I was trying to just soften it. I put it in the microwave, but it's like melty and soft. No worries. Okay, so to that, I'm gonna add a teaspoon of salt because we want this really good and flavorful. All right, and about a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, and then I chopped about 6 big basil leaves, pretty small. All right, and you could use any fresh herb. You could do basil, rosemary, parsley. Any would be good. I'm a huge fan of fresh basil. Okay, and then I have 3 cloves of peeled garlic to really kick this up to the next level. Okay, so that's how easy it is to make garlic butter. And you could put this on so many different things. You could marinate any meat with this. Could put it on potatoes. Okay, so mix it really well. And we are going to just coat up the chicken, all right? I have the oven heated up to 400 degrees, and we're gonna bake it for an hour while periodically basting, and then we'll see when this pops up. It shouldn't be too much more than an hour of baking time on a chicken this size. So I'm gonna just go ahead and start smearing butter all over this chicken. Oh. Okay, and you wanna get it inside all the cracks and crevices. Is there anything like butter? All right, and then we can actually pull the skin back at the top. Okay, it lifts right up. Do this with the Thanksgiving turkey too. And then you get all the flavor that's gonna seep right into the breast under the skin. All right, so get some butter shoved in there. Massage it in if you can feel like getting dirty. All right. Ooh, yummy. The spoon does better. It's sticking to my hands, terrible. All right. So yeah, just spoon this all over it. Okay, and as that melts, it's gonna drip down, and then we're gonna keep spooning it over the chicken, and it is gonna be so moist and flavorful and absolutely delicious. We're talking dinner in a snap. Serve it with some mashed potatoes or rice. Okay, so this is ready to go in the oven, and like I said, 400 degrees. We're gonna start, I'm gonna do the first basting in 30 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna wash my hands and I'll be back. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes and we're gonna baste round 1. So you wanna get the juices down here and just pour them over this chicken. And this smell is something special. All right. This will just create an extra moist and delicious chicken. Okay, now we're gonna pop it back in another 30 minutes. Right. Back in the oven. Okay, so this chicken took an hour and 20 minutes to complete roasting. The thermometer popped up, which is great. Otherwise, if you're going to use a meat thermometer, it needs to be 165 degrees for chicken to be considered done. So look at that, like the golden crispy skin. The girls are going to fight over it. It's really steamy hot, but I did want to just maybe cut into it a little bit. Take a sneak peek here. Oh, look at that. Oh, beautiful. Moist and delicious. Oh, that skin was so crispy cutting through it. That's going to be great. So that's how simple it is to make a roasted chicken loaded with flavor. I hope that you'll make it. The recipe will be down below. I encourage you to always share with your friends and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.